my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Neka's Makeover. Tie this gele with me. This is actually called the Rounded Fan Gele, and right now I'm trying to make some pleats, and I'm doing the cross V shape. Now for you to do this, you have to cross it carefully, making sure that it's well held and it has to be placed right at the center of the head. Now I'm using my stapler to secure it, and after doing this, you make sure that the hand of the gele is also well pleated, then cross it to the other side. Now when you've crossed it to the other side, make sure that you're making a fan shape. You're pleating it like a fan. Now I asked my client to hold it for me while I secure it properly. So watch as I do the rest. While you're pleating, you have to make sure that it's well rounded. So I'm using the mirror in front of me to see how rounded it is. So I'm just trying to make sure that the other hand is just exactly like the right hand. Then I'm pulling it to see that it's well fitted on a face. So basically that's it. And thanks for watching.